Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here with me today. On today's video, I thought it would be fun to do a get ready with me using all the products that I've shown you in my previous hauls. We have had the Beauty Bay sales haul and also the collective haul, and I shared with you a lot of products. So why not we will not see them together in action. Some of them I already tried and I have my thoughts about them. Some of them are even new for me, so I will test them together with you today on camera. So first of all, I would like to thank you for sticking with me and watching my video. I hope you enjoy what you see and you subscribe before you leave. And for those of you who are returning to my channel, I want to thank you for doing that, for supporting my channel and for helping me to grow on this YouTube world. I've shown you a bunch of primers on my collective haul, and most of them, or if not all of them, were from Milk. I've got that set. And we have the cooling water, which is this blue primer. Then we have the watermelon brightening serum. This one I haven't tried. And we have also the grip primer. I think I'm gonna go and try again the grip primer because this I have tried before, I think last week, and I didn't like it, but later I realized that the reason that it was not working, it was because I had underneath a very bad SPF, and what it did, it was peeling off everything I've put on top of it. So yeah, I will now try again and see if this Milk Hydro Grip Primer, it is nice or not. So it looks like this, is a jelly consistency, and I think this should be applied on the entire face. Oh yeah, now it's not peeling, but let's do not be happy and see what it will happen when I will apply the foundation. You see, if you see some whitish cast, this is because of the SPF. Now I'm using another SPF. Okay, I don't have an actual new blurring primer, and I'm going to use my Catrice Poreless Blur Primer. We are going to do it in the old fashion way, so I will apply the foundation before the eye makeup. And this is actually a foundation that I've purchased during my summer sales or during vacation, I'm not sure. It's by the brand called Hypo Allergenic, and it's their Aqua Jelly Makeup Foundation. I have mine in the shade 03. I actually like the undertone of this foundation. So yeah, I can tell that this is a medium coverage foundation, and it looks really natural on my skin. So I will build it up a bit on the places where I feel that I need more coverage. And this is, by the way, L.A.Girl Pro Sponge, which I love it so much. Next product that is new for me is the Cover FX Power Play Concealer. I match myself into the shade Light. So it's this guy from here, which has a very interesting wand. So this is one of their latest shades, but I feel that it doesn't match so well. But I love the way how it looks my under eye area where I apply it. Oh, so here I have found some not blended foundation. Shame on you. What do you think about me, guys, now? Oh, she's the girl who doesn't blend her foundation. I don't hear many people speaking about this concealer, and I actually don't understand why, because I feel that it's flawless. Ooh, we might have a new favorite. Maybe my Catrice high coverage concealer will have a new rival. We will see. For the moment, it's early to say. It's a bit drier in the formula that the Catrice one it is, but it glides on really nice and doesn't set onto the fine lines. Speaking about setting onto the fine lines, this is a repurchase of my favorite Bitery Hyaluronic Hydra powder, and this I actually forget to show you on my collective haul. So I'm looking on the viewfinder and I'm not sure if you will see me, guys, that I'm looking to you, because my viewfinder is a bit on the sideways. So when I'm editing my videos, I feel that I'm not looking straight to you. I do apologize. I tend to look where I see myself, reflection. That's the problem. This is my new camera and I'm still adjusting to it. For contour, I will try to use this Milk contour stick in the shade Baked. So this is their matte bronzer. Ooh, it's so waxy. It's not like my Makeup Forever or my Anastasia cream contour R. So I have from Anastasia R. I think it's not a good idea to contour my nose with this. I will just use it on the sides where I will usually apply my bronzer, but it blends nice onto the skin. I think the actual warmth of the skin makes the product melt and become one with the skin. But what I've noticed about this product, because I have used it before, it is that it's very long wearing. So once you blend it, it's set onto your skin and you will only remove it with the makeup remover. So it's really reliable from this point of view. I also have a highlighter from Milk in shade Blitzed. So maybe I will tap it lightly with my finger. This is a bit chunky. Let's come a bit closer. She blends, blends, blends. She blends, blends, blends. And blends and blends and blends. Yeah, so I feel the shimmer is a bit too noticeable. Ooh, and I also have a blush from Milk. This was a simple size that I've got in one of my orders, but I want to use it because we are still using creamy products and we are talking about the Milk makeup products. So I'm gonna use my Cover FX Translucent Light Setting Powder, which I haven't used in a while, but I have a new brush to use, and this is by Essence, and it was Christmas limited edition. You have here those stars, and I thought it was so cool to have it and play with it on my collection. And if you hear some noise, this is because of the stars that are jumping inside of the brush handle. I did apply it offline my eyeshadow primer, and I'm using the Milani eyeshadow primer. And now for the most exciting product of this Get Ready With Me, we are going to use the Nabla Secret palette. Okay, for my eyes, I'm gonna use my Zoeva brushes that I've shown you also on the collective haul, and I love their purple handles. And I'm not able to find for the life of me the 228. There were 4 brushes on this set. So from this reason I pulled out another 228 brush from Zoeva from another collection. Let's say like this. I will start by building my transition, and I'm gonna use the shade called Ghibli. I don't want to do a really crazy look, but we will see how this will turn out. Next I'm gonna take the shade Mea Culpa, which is this matte shade here, and I will run that through my crease. Oh, this is so highly pigmented. Okay, what I have done, and I forgot to press the record button, is the fact that I was doing a sort of cut crease, so I added the Power Play concealer from CoverFX and I blended with this brush because I wanted to have a sticky base on my lids. And now I'm going to take the shade Fantasize, this one. It's mostly like a glitter. So the concealer represents an excellent base for applying the actual glitter if you don't have a glitter base. Here we go. For my lower lashes, I'm gonna take the shade Contigo and I'll run that first. And what I lastly like to do is I will match the lower lash line shade with the actual transition. So I would like to do it in this way. And for my inner rim, I'm gonna use my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On pencil in shade Sabbath to line my waterline. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes, apply mascara, and then I will come back for the brows. This is the final look. After applying the mascara, I think it looks better and I really love how it turned out. Now the brow part. I have a new brow gel from Milani, Stay Put Brow Color in shade 01, which is also coming with this pulley. I already used it once, so... And this product, guys, I think it's perfect. It's amazing. It's so easy to apply, and after a couple of minutes it's set, so you don't need to apply anything to set the color in place. Your brows will be bulletproof all day. Slightly darker for me. If it would have been a bit toward grey, toward taupe, would have been perfect, but even though I love the actual quality of this product by Milani. I don't have any other new face products, and I'm gonna use the Rimmel London face palette, which contains a highlighter, contour and a blush. And this product I've shown you on my Rimmel One Brand makeup, so the brush is under the bed. So if you haven't seen that video, I will link it here up on the card. And now it came into my mind one thing that I thought about and I forgot, we have this shade called Play Hard. And this is kind of the iridescent shade, and basically this will transform any eyeshadow that we have. So I want to add this on the top to smooth out the transition between those two shades, because I feel it's a bit harsh. Oh yeah. That makes a really good job. Look guys, I don't know if you're able to tell, but now there is a smooth transition. I have this new lip product by Gerard Cosmetics. It's their lip pencil, but it's in the shade Nude. You heard me talk about shade Bellapierre, but I didn't use this shade on my channel yet. The Nude shade, I will swatch it just for a reference. So I run the lip liner for the entire lip. And for my lips, because I don't have a new lip liner, no new lipstick, sorry. I have this lip from Mascara in the shade Bang, and this one from Bellapierre, so I will use that one. I feel that it matches my blouse, even my blouse is really red. I feel the undertone of this lipstick, it matches the undertone of the blouse. Maybe call me crazy, I don't know. And to finish up the lips, I'm gonna use the Pixie by Petra gloss in the shade Honey Sheen, which we've got in Look Fantastic Beauty Box a while ago. So this lip gloss, what it does, it tingles your lips. And I'm already starting to feel that sensation. But this is the final look, guys. This is the makeup look that I create using the products that I recently haul in my both Beauty Bay and collective haul that I have done here on my channel. But I also incorporated some other products that have been purchased previously on my channel and I didn't show them to you, or products that I haven't used from a long time on my channel. I feel this eyeshadow palette is so versatile and so inspiring to use it. I love it so much, and the quality of the shades, the shadow, it's really nice. I love the Nabla eyeshadows formula, so I'm gonna buy other palettes from them, hopefully. I love the Cover FX Power Play Concealer and the foundation by Hypo Allergenic. I feel those are a good match together. And of course I love the Milk Primer, the Milk Blusher and also the Milk Bronzer. Not so impressed with the actual Milk Stick Highlighter, so there should be also some minuses. Also, one of the products that I love is the Milani Brow Stay Put Brow Color in shade Soft Brown. Yeah, so it's not shade 01, it's shade Soft Brown. And of course, I love my Zoeva brushes, and I would love to find where it's hiding my fourth brush, the 2281. I think I washed it and I dropped it somewhere, or maybe my daughter is involved in the disposition of the brush. That is all for today. We can wrap up this video here. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. Please let me know in your comments down below if you have used some of these products and what do you think about them. And other than that, I hope you'll stick around and you'll subscribe before you leave. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And I will see you again on my next video. Have a great, blessed day ahead. Bye bye!